I was meters away from us. Look at this.
Hi there. Can I get a cup of tea, please? Thank you. You okay?
Honestly, I'm just looking at all this media drama about Dubai. It's frustrating because it's not what actually happening here.
Thank you. Okay, let's talk about it.
There's a lot of noise in the media right now about the conflict that happened in the region.
Yeah, it's true. There's many discussions happening in the media right now about the regional conflict, and yes, it is important to accept that the conflict does exist, but it's also important to look at the reality of the ground, what's actually happening in Dubai.
Yes, the city is operating normally. Business are open, light is still going on, and we all living our normal life.
Perfectly normal, right? And also, if you look at real estate, it's important to understand the statistics and how they continue to show stability. Did you know that just recently during this conflict, the largest transaction in the history of apartments in the Middle East took place here in Dubai?
When was it?
The deal closed for 550 million dirhams.
Fantastic.
No, it's not what property itself represents. It's what's behind the transaction and what the transaction represents. This shows that at a time where global focus is on the region, a serious amount of capital has been invested due to the trust in the long-term vision and due to the trust in the stability of our economy. That confidence is backed by strong fundamentals. GDP of UAE's economy is $500 billion, yet the sovereign wealth is $2.5 trillion.
That's 5 times size of the economy.
Correct. That places UAE as one of the strongest financial capitals in the world.
Dubai actually faced the crisis before.
Of course. We go back to the 2008 financial crisis, and then go to COVID, and even the floods we had. Dubai has proven capability of continuously moving forward.
So the reality on the ground does tell a different story.
Absolutely. And Dubai continues to move forward with long-term vision and stability.